Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this short video I will show you how to remove and replace the front windshield washer nozzles. As you can see, in my case mine is broken, so I will show you how to completely remove it, deattach it and install the new one. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 all the way up to 2020. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to lift the front hood and you want to locate these plastic hoses that lead to each of the washer nozzles. So in my case this one here is broken. Unfortunately it's quite hard to remove it without making any further damage, so you just want to wiggle it out. Okay, just like this, and you'll see that if you remove it, pretty much always you'll have a bit of this plastic bottom piece stuck in the hole. So first thing you have to do before installing the new nozzle, you have to use your pliers or a flat screwdriver just to pry this out to be able to install the new nozzle. Okay, now the easiest way to actually clean this rubber connector is to pull it off this hose. Now these things like to get stuck, but anyways, you can pull it off, and then once you have it off you can completely clean the interior of this rubber piece, and once it's clean you will just attach it back onto this hose. Okay, now to clean it I usually use like a screwdriver just to pry it in and then just get all the old junk out, and then once it's free of junk then I install it back onto the hose. Once the rubber connector is clean you can just attach it back to the hose. And now everything is ready to install the new washer nozzle. Okay, and here is the washer nozzle part number. It's from Napa. In case you need to buy one, make sure to get one for Dodge Grand Caravan because they are slightly different from different vehicles and models. So each one will have like two of these clips which will actually clip into the front hood and hold tightly. That's why I say if you get it from a different vehicle, these clips will be different, it's gonna be different thickness and it will not fit your Dodge Grand Caravan. Now to install the washer nozzle, first you want to clip it into the front hood and then you will connect this hose which is now nice and clean. So to do that, make sure you actually turn in the right way with this small hole facing the front windshield, and you will just pretty much clip it in. And that's it. Once that is done, you can just connect the hose onto this washer nozzle, and that's how you replace it. It's actually quite nice and easy. The biggest part of the job is actually just preparing and cleaning this rubber connector because, like I said, these plastic nozzles are actually quite cheap, and once they break a piece will always stay inside this rubber, but then you just clean it out and install the new washer nozzle and that's it. And once the installation is complete, make sure to actually test the washer nozzle if it sprays. In my case it's all good, works nice, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.